Well, here we are on Telkwa Coal Mine Road, heading out to conquer the microwave for the first time here. Anyway, check out this beautiful view. The Telkwa River flowing through. There's a few viewpoints here, so I'll just record and enjoy. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the start of the microwave. Looks like there's some recreational vehicles here today. BC Hydro doesn't want me going more than 30 kilometers an hour. And we'll just set up some tracking here. Just in case we make a wrong turn and get lost, we can find our way out again. The only thing that can make this even more fun is to do it with a friend. Sitting at home watching Netflix does not cut it, so let's have an adventure. I wish this map was more detailed. Like, it looks like I'm going the right way, but come on. Alright, if it gets any more gnarly than this, turning around. I don't know, man. I'm by myself. How deep is it here? Right there. Alright, I got this one, but this is getting a bit ridiculous. Pegs on the pegs. There you go. Right to the left. We're going to the left. And this is... I think I've had enough. I think the microwave has conquered me. In fact, skill level wise, I think I can. I don't need to make a mistake. Something stupid like that. son would say, "Dad, you should get a quad." I don't want a quad. I don't want a quad. Or a quad. Come on, guys, let's stick to the trail. Oh. Time to head home. Thank you, BC Hydro. Time to kick ass, get through that mud puddle.